So oftentimes we have some patients who struggle with tightness in their jaw muscles, in their masseter muscle, headaches from that, clenching, grinding, and that can damage their oral health as well. And so we have therapeutic Botox and other means to help treat that. We're able to give Botox in a medical way to help lessen the adverse effects of the muscles being out of balance, which can reduce grinding, it can reduce bruxing, it can reduce tightness, and it can reduce headaches. And in some scenarios, can actually take the whole problem away and get a patient back to worrying about the things in their life that matter and getting back to their day-to-day, which is a great accomplishment. We love doing that.